good morning or good afternoon if it's afternoon by you. I'd like to talk to you about something very important. If you have a MacBook and suddenly something happened to it, this is you didn't spill any water and you didn't drop it. Very important. So must be something happened, of course, internally. And now you can investigate this. Um, First of all, every MacBook or every MacBook or any family of Apple computers, they have a diagnosis page that you can reach to by turning off the computer, pressing D, turning on the computer, lift your hands when you see Apple, will take you to that page, which let it do the diagnosis. First, see what it's saying, what's going on, if you can access that. But if you can't access that, you can start investigating, like you open a case, like any case. You start, asking questions. What happened? What's this? What's that? When people describe their computers to me, it's not accurate. Doesn't match what they have, what their problem is. Some tell me that, hey, we don't have a picture anymore on our screen. When it comes, there is a picture. Clearly, the computer is booting, doing all the necessary things, and chiming and this and all that, and giving you operating system. That's it. That's what it's doing, right? But you can't see it because of the backlight of the screen. Broke. I mean, either it's not working at, most likely, of course, motherboard, but mainly sometimes, graphic chip, which is deadly costly, and I don't think anybody can repair it. They do it in factory, machines does it, and that's it, and human doesn't get even interfere in that stuff. All the board is happened like that. But anyway, you come and do that rebolling that this thing had. I don't think so. Some tried, but always the case is not really successful. I don't think anybody can succeed by hand. It's very difficult. Anyway, so my take on this. So if you have the computer. Start investigating what seems to me the problem. Find out first the true problem, what is going on. So as I mentioned in previous videos, that put a light on when you press the power button, wait a little, see if it's everything working, press the key, the keyboard, the key thing, that see if it's turning caps or not turning cap, the green light coming out. Do this kind of thing. So know that, hey, your computer booting and all that and doing all the stuff, that part, the bottom case, but the picture is not showing there. Why? So you can investigate sometimes, you can save yourself a bundle by replacing it yourself or finding the solution yourself. Okay, till next time.